Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 212 of algebra part 3. Right, we have to simplify these sets. So we have to write 27, 48, and 12 as a product of their prime factors. Let me just show you how to use the calculator to do this. So we can see that 27 is 3 cubed, and then m to the power 6, minus 48 is 2 to the power 4, times 3 times m to the power 6, all this divided by, and then 12 is 4 times 3, 4 times 3, 4 is 2 squared, times 3 times m to the power 6. Okay, and then remember that square root of a times b is just the same as square root of a times square root of b. Okay, so we're going to use that here. Right, if you check here, we have 3 cubed. We can split the 3 cubed into 3 squared times 3. Let's just do that. So it's 3 squared times 3 times m to the power 6 minus square root of 2 to the power 4 times 3 times m to the power 6 over square root of 2 squared times 3 times m to the power 6. Okay, you see that? We can use this law here. So this is like square root of 3 squared times square root of 3 times square root of m to the power 6, and then minus square root of 2 to the power 4 times square root of 3 times square root of m to the power 6. Okay, and then here square root of 2 squared times square root of 3 times square root of m to the power 6. Okay, and then the square root and the square, they cancel each other out, you know that. And then if you have, let's say for example, let me just use m to the power 6. So square root of m to the power 6 is just same as m to the power 6 over 2. So we divide by, because the square root, there's a 2 here, so it's like 6 over 2, which is what? M to m cubed. You see that? So we just divide the exponent by 2. So what we get here, this is 3, and then the square root of 3 remains as it is, and then square root of m to the power 6 becomes m cubed. Then square root of 3 remains, minus, then divide by 2, 4 by 2, we get what? 2 squared. Then square root of m to the power 6 is m cubed. Then square root of 3 remains as it is. And then over, then square root, and the square here, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we remain 2. We know, you say that square root and the square, they cancel each other out, we remain 2. And then square root of m to the power 6 is m to the power 3, and times the square root of 3 remains as square root of 3. And then if you check the numerator there, we have what? We have the highest common factor. We can factor it out, which is this. This is the highest common factor here. We can factor it out. So it becomes m cubed square root of 3. And then we remain with what? 3, isn't it? 3, this 3. And then minus 2 squared, which is 4. 2 squared, which is 4, over the denominator is 2 m cubed square root of 3. Then m cubed divided by m cubed is 1. Square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 is 1. So we remain with, what is 3 minus 4? Negative 1. So we remain with negative 1 over 2.